Hi, I'm Clint Burgess here with Watchfire at InfoComm 2026 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'd like to showcase our 0.9 millimeter indoor display micro pitch, which is high refresh rate, low BTU, as well as a very unique blend of our Watchfire proprietary technology along with our LED, which really gives us a unique insight for the market. This product, along with a lot of other pitches that we have, our pitches going all the way up to the 2.4 to the 3.9 and on down back and forth, are all available, modular. We have different mechanisms for mounting methods, as well as different CMS systems that we do integrate with for this board as well. So we're really excited about this. This 0.9, this is kind of opening the doors for us a little bit into the new space of a little bit tighter micro pitch. As we know, the industry is getting pretty competitive. And we're obviously here to bring these to the market and help our end users with a very unique and definable experience of the indoor product within the market. So that being said, we're super excited about it. And you can find more information about this at watchfire.com. You can also reach out to us on our website, and we'll be happy to help anybody out.